If you followed my previous OpenClaw installation on Windows using Docker, then you probably face the same issue where you couldn't add Telegram channel to OpenClaw. In this video, I will show you how to configure it and make it work. First of all, open the OpenClaw folder that we cloned in the last video from GitHub. Then run the git bash from inside this folder. Run this command to run the OpenClaw onboard wizard. Choose yes, then click start. Then use the existing values. Then go with the same settings you used before for the AI provider. For me, it's OpenRouter and Gemini 2.5 Flashlight. Now on the select channel option, we choose Telegram to configure it. Then it's gonna ask you about your Telegram bot API token. Go to Telegram, search for botfather, click on start, then write /new bot. It's gonna ask you about the name of the bot. Give it whatever name you like. Then it's gonna ask you about the username. It has to be unique and have the word bot at the end, so make sure that you do that. Once you choose a unique username, copy the API token of the bot and paste it in the terminal. Choose no for the skills, then skip for the hooks. Wait until it finishes, then copy the username of the bot and search for it to start a conversation. Click start. I think OpenClaw didn't load yet on my PC. This is why it took it a while to respond to me. I checked the logs, everything was fine. Anyway, after a while, I tried again and it worked. So I think you should wait a bit after the configuration before you try again. As you can see, it responded to me now with the Telegram pairing code. Now go to the terminal and use Clawdock that we installed in the previous video. Run clawdock-shell, and here we run this command, OpenClaw pairing approve Telegram. Then copy and paste the code we got from OpenClaw on Telegram. Hit enter and wait. As you can see now, the connection is approved. Let's test it out. Great, now it's typing. And voila, it's working. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.